So hello and welcome to today's video. I am Sarvesh Gutti, founder of Auris Wealth, your family's wealth partner and private CFO. So in this video, we are going to understand why the HNI clients never sell their investments, but still they are able to get the cash to buy property or to buy cars, and what secret the retail investors or 99% of investors are not using. So if you look at how most of the people buy a car or a high-end property, the process is always the same. They work hard for many years, they invest for many years, and when it is time to make a big purchase, let's say a big car or a house, they log into their portfolio app and they sell all their investments. But when a high net worth individual or a family makes the exact same purchase, they almost never sell a single mutual fund unit or any of their investments. So here is the secret that the ultra wealthy use to buy physical assets without destroying the compounding of their liquid wealth. Let's say you want to buy a 2 crore rupees commercial property. If you liquidate 2 crores from your equity portfolio, you instantly trigger a massive capital gains tax bill, and you are essentially paying a penalty to the government just to access your own money. But importantly, you just have killed the long term wealth compounding engine through your investments. And that 2 crore is permanently gone from the market, and most probably it will never generate any returns or same kind of return for your family again. So instead of selling their investments, most of our clients at Auris Wealth do something completely different. We take the existing investment portfolio of our clients and place a digital lien against it. And within 24 hours, a bank issues a flexible line of credit or an overdraft facility against the same mutual fund investments for our clients. And the client uses that line of credit to buy a property or a car or to fund their business without selling their investment. See, your core investment portfolio remains completely untouched. It is still fully invested in the market. If your portfolio is compounding at, let's say, 12 to 14% per year, and the interest on the credit line is around 9% per year, the growth of your portfolio is literally paying for the cost of the loan. And still, you acquire the physical property or the car without having to pay any amount of capital gains tax. And most importantly, your family's wealth compounding journey still continues without having a break. This is the exact difference between having a retail mindset or a DIY mindset and having a private CFO and wealth partner who is guiding you and your family on your long term wealth creation journey. See, a normal DIY investor or a normal broker will just tell you which fund to buy and which fund to sell. But a private CFO and a wealth partner like Auris Wealth structures your entire balance sheet so that you never have to take a step backward in your wealth creation journey. So stop managing your wealth like the 99% of retail investors who are just gambling away their hard-earned money because of lack of knowledge or lack of proper guidance, and rather start your wealth creation journey like the top 1% HNI and ultra HNI families of India and the NRI families. So, if you are ready to start your long term wealth creation journey under a proper professional guidance through a professional team, then Auris Wealth can be the perfect wealth partner for you and your family's long term wealth creation journey for the next 20, 25 to 30 years and beyond. This is the reason why we are offering a free 100% confidential portfolio guidance review call online to our clients. If you feel that you are now ready to take your wealth creation journey to the next level and to create multi generational wealth for your family, then take the first step and book this free portfolio guidance and review call with us at Auris Wealth. The link to booking this portfolio guidance call is in the description box below. It will take less than 2 minutes. It will be completely online. There is no hidden charges or there is no product pushing in this review. What we do is we first understand your family's finances, your existing investments, if there are any, and based on that, we will create goals for your family like retirement planning, vacation, house purchase, car purchase, children's education, son or daughter's future marriage budget, or you want to buy a farmhouse, etc. There will be many different financial goals for every family, because every family is different. So based on your goals, we will create a goal mapping system for you. Based on those goals, we will suggest you the best investment products for your family so that your goals will be achieved during the due time of the investment horizon. And based on that, we will help you to safely and securely invest through the Auris Wealth app and the Auris Wealth platform in a systematic manner. And once you make Auris Wealth your private CFO, then we will assign you a dedicated wealth partner who will help you in your long-term wealth creation journey for the next 20, 30, 40 years. And every 3 months, we will review your portfolio just to check whether your investments are performing properly and are online or on track to achieve your financial goals or not. So this is the kind of top 1% HNI and ultra HNI level of wealth partnership and services that we are providing to our clients. So go ahead, take the first step, book your free portfolio guidance and review call. There is only one criteria, that you should have a minimum of 10 lakh rupees of portfolio, either existing or the capacity to build a 10 lakh rupees portfolio from day one, or an capacity or an existing SIP of minimum 50,000 rupees per month. If you are satisfying either of these two conditions or both of these conditions, you are eligible to book the free 100% confidential portfolio review call with your wealth partner at Auris Wealth. Thank you so much for your time. If you found this video valuable, do give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to us at Auris Wealth for more such long-term wealth creation related videos. And also ask us any queries or questions in the comment section. We will be more than happy to solve your doubts. Thank you for your time, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for subscribing in advance, and I will see you in the next video and in your portfolio guidance review call whenever we meet. Thank you so much. Have a great day.